Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is just gonna be a quick video. I just want to update you guys. I had ordered these about a month ago. They just came in. They were on a pre-order. Got these for the Black Friday sale. Very good price. These are resonated lower downpipes for the Q50. So I'm just gonna open them, show you guys. I haven't looked at them yet. I just got home from work. We're gonna do a before and after sound test, and we're gonna obviously do a step-by-step install. So comes with all the bolts. They're a little bit more now. I think they're like $100-something more, but they're still, last time I checked, they were still at a very good discount on them right now. Comes with all the gaskets, bolts, and from the pictures they look like really good quality. So pretty good quality to me. I'm no professional welder at all whatsoever, but these welds are really nice. Some stuff is like, you know, you buy it and you're like, wow, these welds are horrible, but these are nice. These are definitely wake up the turbos. It's a 3-inch downpipe, but right here definitely looks smaller than 3-inch, but that's fine because it widens to 3-inch anyways. But that's definitely not 3-inch. Look, maybe 2.5. So I'm very excited to install these. So like I said, we're gonna do a install video. We're gonna do before and after sound test, and we're gonna do before and after draggy times. So I'm going to do it 0 to 60 quarter mile time, bone stock, no JB4. And then we'll get a time with JB4. And then we're going to put the downpipes, no JB4, and get a time. And then JB4 with the downpipes. So stay tuned. You're going to want to see that. I'm hoping for a decent gain. I definitely want an exhaust, but we'll see. So that's it. So stay tuned.